Anvita from IIT Bombay. I'll be sharing my interview experience with Sequoia Capital. So ask me any question related to the same.
So, could you please elaborate as to why you have chosen this particular company?
So having done a startup of my own while I was at college, a lot of my friends in the ecosystem, my husband himself, having done startups, etc. I think the knack that I want to come back to the startup ecosystem has stayed with me. I've had a brilliant experience at BCG. I think just the understanding of building larger firms and still continuing to be efficient there has given me a great experience of knowledge. But now I think post this almost 2 years time at BCG, a move to Sequoia will make a lot of sense to me, especially when I know that in the long term I want to get closer to doing a startup of my own. Maybe join a startup or start off something on my own. It would make a lot of sense for me to have exposure at a VC like Sequoia, get a great exposure on evaluating startups, businesses, models, etc., and sooner than later come back in the more exciting side of things.
As a leading expert in the industry, what is your advice for new startups to find potential investments?
Okay. So I think a couple of things. One is harnessing my current network base. So from campus, so from IIT Bombay, from even folks at BCG. So keeping my eyes and what are people up to, and if there are people and startups that I can find from my own network. Obviously, LinkedIn helps. So trying and connecting with folks there, and I think a more structured approach would be probably picking up a sector or a few sectors where we would want to place initial bets on, saying that this sector is interesting. Let's find some interesting players, and then trying for the really large plays there would be my strategy to look for potential investments. Yeah.